Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Phase 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Coros application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Coros application on our phone. Once you open the application, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Phase 2. Now tap on the notifications, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the application, it will give you this pop-up message. Tap on Go to Settings and allow the required permissions. Okay. And now we can enable and disable the notifications by tapping on the switch, and then you can also enable and disable the notifications for specific apps and features. Basically how it works is, if you enable the notifications, for example, for WhatsApp, you will receive the notifications from WhatsApp on your phone, and if it's enabled, it will be forwarded to your watch. But if it's disabled, you will only receive them on your phone, they won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. If you don't see the app on the list right here, you can tap on the More option. It will open the list of applications on your phone, and then you can enable and disable the notifications for them. Okay, once you're done customizing the settings right here, you can close the app. And now let's make sure that the notification access is enabled for the Coros app. This one is required to send the notifications to your phone. So open the settings on your phone. On the older versions of Android, it's gonna be called notification access. On the newer versions of Android, it's called device and app notifications, I believe. But anyway, we need to tap on apps and notifications. This is the older version of Android, so I'm gonna tap on advanced and tap on special app access and then notification access. On the newer version of Android, you go to notifications, I believe, and there you have the option called device and notifications, and it will open the same menu, basically the same list of apps. You can find the Coros app on the list, tap on it, tap on the allow notification access, tap on allow, and then you can go back. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.